Hi, I bring you a very important piece of news today. This has probably not been covered early morning in today's editions of newspaper. It is a press release from the Commissioner of Income Tax, let's say press release from the Income Tax Department dated 31st January 2017. It looks something like this and it shall also come up on your screen. And it is titled Income Tax Department launches Operation Clean Money. Now, it's a long circular. I'm only going to read out what is relevant to you. You can read out the rest there. In the first batch, around 18 lakh persons have been identified in whose case cash transactions do not appear to be in line with the taxpayer's profile. Now, this is related to demonetization. The time period between 9th November to 30th December, you have made cash deposits. Those cash deposits do not fall in line with your profile, whatever is the meaning of that. Now, if not, you are somebody who is in that profile, needs to be verified by you by going to this particular website, and it will again hopefully be scrolled by our technical director, incometaxindia.efiling.gov.in. Go there. The PAN holder can view the information using the link Cash Transactions 2016. There is a link there which says Cash Transactions 2016, which is under a section called Compliance. I'll go slow. Log on to that website. There is a window which says Compliance. Click on that window. It will drop down. You will see something called Cash Transactions 2016. If you see a message which says no records found, then you are in the clear. If you see some other message there, you need to reply and respond to that message online. Now, if you don't see anything there, this show is over for you. You can move on and do something else. But if you think your name is going to be there, this is what you do. Log on to that website. On the right hand side top corner, if this is your website, out here there is a small button which says Help. Click on that button and you will see a small file which says Cash Transactions PDF or something to that effect. First file. Click on that and you will get this. It is a step-by-step guide to answering the queries that have been raised there about you. So some particular cash transaction, say from Axis Bank Limited to some account number, this much money you have received or you have deposited or whatever, you will be asked for a response and submit online response and keep acknowledgement for record. You are supposed to click on that particular response and choose one of those responses and submit. In case you make a mistake in submission of response, you may further revise it by filing. You can edit this response later on. Now, if you don't do this, what will happen? One more. If you still cannot find what you are looking for, or if you still need help, call this helpline number over here, 1-800-425-0025, and ask them questions. Now, if you don't do this, then the consequence of it will be this. The taxpayers covered in this phase should submit their response on the portal within 10 days in order to avoid any notice from the Income Tax Department and enforcement actions. I urge you to go and check this right now. If you think, oh, I am not one of those who will get a notice from the Income Tax Department because I have deposited only this much money, don't do that. Do it the right way. Go and check and do what you are being asked to do by a government agency so you don't fall in trouble. So, go to the website, go to Help. In Help, you will find this guide. Read this yourself. If you have any questions, mail me and I will try and answer them free of cost. Thank you for watching. I hope I am doing something that brings you some joy. And if not joy, I hope I am doing something which you find some use in your life. Thank you.